What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you my hero. Hmm. This is the fastest way clearing stages, the fastest build. It's a warrior. I am level 86, I think. So look at my gear first. Oops. So this is my sword. I don't use it much. This is my main damage item. I I go for speed. That's the deal. So you will see how fast I clear stages on Mythical 2. I just walk past them and they are out there. So fast clear and farm. Wow. These minions got resistance to lightning. I was making my whole gear frost attack, but I changed it to lightning. Maybe I'll change it to fire, I don't know. It's so laggy. Too much closer. Fuck you. Where are you, boss? Hey, boss. Where are you? Are you here? Damn, it's so laggy. Fuck off. Too many messages, man. Holy fuck. Die, motherfucker. Come on, where is the boss? Is this no? So many monsters. Where the fuck is the boss, man? Fucking wag. And I'm not even to the boss wall. Fuck you. Why you so laggy, man? That's oh, here it is. Okay. And you see the boss? Now you see him? No, you don't. Here it is. Oh, holy fuck, it's so laggy. Let me see all the junk shit. So this is my storage. I got plenty of profitable shit, practical shit. This is my previous gear, and pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good, sir. So, oh, there's my pet. It's not the big of a deal, but it do some work. So yeah. So I found this necklace, but I wait for a phone to translate it for warrior to see maybe it's more good than mine. We'll see. So yeah, this is the build. You need dagger with movement speed, maybe gears with movement speed too, but I get only the helmet with movement speed, plus this skill adventure. It's good. I got shield wow, it gives here movement speed too. I max Knight's charge because of movement speed and other shit, and sprint of course. Then I'll make dexterity and intelligence. So yeah, here 5, 8, what the fuck, 8 Knight charges, here 8, here 8 shield, here some damage and health, here's movement speed, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.